Have you ever looked at someone rich and thought, what are they doing differently? Because let's be honest, most people don't become rich overnight. They don't win lotteries. They don't magically get lucky. They build habits. And the truth is, your future wealth is not decided by how much you earn today. It's decided by what you do with your money every single day. Tom didn't understand this at first. Like most people, he believed one thing: if I earn more, I'll become rich. But no matter how hard he worked, his bank balance never really changed. Until one day, he met someone who changed his thinking forever. Tom was sitting on a bench, scrolling through his phone, watching videos of people showing luxury cars, big houses, and expensive lifestyles. He sighed and said, "Why is it so easy for them and so hard for me?" A calm voice replied from beside him, "Because you're looking at the result, not the habits." Tom turned and saw an old man smiling. "Habits?" Tom asked. The old man nodded. "Yes, the rich don't just earn differently. They behave differently." Tom leaned forward. "Then tell me, what are these habits?" The old man smiled. "All right, but remember, these are simple to understand and very hard to follow. Habit number 1, pay yourself first. Before you spend a single rupee," the old man said, "save or invest a portion." Most people spend first and save what's left. Rich people save first and spend what's left. Tom nodded slowly. Habit 2, control lifestyle inflation. As your income grows, your expenses will try to grow faster. Tom remembered how every small salary increase turned into new expenses. "If you don't control this," the old man said, "you'll always feel broke, no matter how much you earn." Habit 3, invest early. The biggest advantage in money is time. Tom frowned. "Not money?" The old man shook his head. "No, time creates money." He drew a small graph growing bigger over time. "Start small, but start now." Habit 4, avoid bad debt. "Not all debt is bad," he explained, "but borrowing money for things that don't grow in value is a trap." Tom thought about unnecessary EMIs and nodded. Habit 5, track your money. If you don't know where your money is going, you'll never know why it's disappearing. Tom smiled awkwardly. He had no idea where half his money went. Habit 6, learn continuously. The money rewards knowledge, the old man said. The more you understand investing, saving, and risk, the smarter your decisions become. Habit 7, be patient. This is where most people fail. Tom leaned in. They want results fast, the old man continued, but real wealth grows slowly, silently, over time. Habit 8, diversify your income. Don't depend on just one source. Tom looked confused. If one source fails, the old man said, your entire life collapses. Habit 9, think long-term. Short-term thinking creates stress. Long-term thinking creates wealth. Tom imagined chasing quick money versus building slowly. Habit 10, stay disciplined. The old man looked serious now. This is the most important one. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. Tom sat silently. For the first time, wealth didn't feel like luck. It felt like a system built on small daily actions. "Will this make me rich?" Tom asked. The old man smiled. "It won't make you rich overnight, but if you follow it long enough," he paused, "it will make being poor almost impossible." Tom looked at his phone again. Same world, same people, but something inside him had changed. This time, he wasn't chasing money. He was building habits. Because in the end, rich people don't have better luck. They just have better habits.